Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to mute or disable your PS5 DualSense controller mic. One of the great features the PlayStation 5 DualSense controller is loaded with is a built-in microphone. What most people may not realize before it's too late is that the mic is enabled and turned on by default. As a result, when playing games online, everything you think you're saying in private may be going out to a much larger audience. Thankfully, Sony makes it easy to both mute or disable the PS5 DualSense controller mic. I'll walk through how to do both in this video. First, let's quickly look at how to mute the PS5 DualSense controller mic. If you want to leave the built-in mic enabled, you can quickly press the microphone button on the controller to make it orange, which means the mic is muted. You can press the button again at any time to unmute it. However, if you want to go a step further and disable the built-in PS5 DualSense mic, you have to go through a few more steps. Step 1. Navigate to your PS5 home screen and then click Settings to open the Settings menu. Step 2. Choose Sound in the Settings menu. The sound screen is shown. Step 3. Select Microphone on the left side of the screen and then make sure the Input Device option on the right side of the screen is set to Microphone on Controller. Step 4. Navigate down to Microphone Status when logged in, click that option to display a menu, and then set it to Mute. Going forward, the PS5 DualSense microphone will be muted by default. Let me know what you think of the PS5's built-in mic in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.